Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account and that Whiteboard Jamboard is enabled for your workspace. This ensures sharing works. Once signed in, join or start the meet and set audio and camera so you can communicate while you draw. Then click Present Now and select Whiteboard or open the Jamboard option. This opens a shared canvas. Make sure participants have edit permissions so they can interact. Now that the canvas is live, you can begin adding notes and shapes in real time. Once the whiteboard is open, pick the tool you need. Pen for freehand, text for typed content, sticky notes for quick ideas, and shapes for structure. Use the eraser to correct mistakes. Make use of frames or pages to break a session into steps, and zoom or pan to focus on details. Move and reorder objects to clarify flow. If multiple people will edit, invite them and double-check edit versus view permissions so everyone's cursor and contributions appear correct. To finish, organize the board. Name frames, set the final page, and export a PDF or image or save a copy to Drive for later reference. Once done, change access to view-only or lock content to prevent accidental edits. If you need to continue later, duplicate the board and keep history. If participants report lag or missing updates, first refresh the Meet and Whiteboard, verify sharing permissions, then have users reconnect. Often that restores real-time sync immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.